motorcycle shop. Thanks a bunch, motorcycle shop. Anyway, I also changed the oil and the gearbox fluid on a Vespa LX150. We could have done a video about that, but a million other people have already done videos on it, so didn't see much point. But we might actually, do you want to see me install the battery on a 2023 Indian? Nah, fuck it. Why not? Why not? Here, follow along while I show you how to replace the battery on a late model Indian Chief. It takes two tools to get at the battery on this bike. You will need a 6mm Allen key to remove the seats. The seats come off in a pretty obvious way. Once you have the seats off, you will go after this little rubber band thing. That rubber band thing holds the upper battery tray in place, and then there are two different electrical boxes. I have no idea what these things are, but you need to pop those loose, swing them out of the way in order to remove the upper battery tray. Look at that, I'm a poet and I didn't even know it. Once the upper battery tray is loose, you will then gain access to the battery itself. There we go. I'm pointing at the positive terminal right there, and then the negative terminal right there. There's also there's a bracket that holds the battery in place too. You'll remove that bracket's fastener using a 6mm Allen key, just like you did with the seats. Like I said, it only takes two tools to get at the battery on this bike. It's not hard. Hopefully this video gives you the information you need in order to replace the battery on your 2023 Indian. If not, then hopefully you'll find somebody else who can explain it better than I can. The second tool you need is a number 3 Phillips screwdriver. That's what you'll use to remove the battery terminals on the actual battery. So with that, you should be good to go. Thanks a bunch for watching. Really appreciate it. Have a good one. Bye.